Welcome. In front of me is a Lenovo Tab 4, and today I will show you how to insert SD card into this device. So, to get started, you simply want to pop this little flap right here with the Lenovo logo, like so, and you'll have a spot for your SD card, which you just kind of pop in here. Make sure it's going in straight. If it's not, then flip it the other way around. As you can see, the other way around, it's going in straight. And then push it all the way in until you hear or feel a click. There we go. At which point it will stay in there. It's spring loaded, so once you want to get it out, you'll just push it back in, and as you can see, it comes out. So anyway, once you popped it in, the SD card should be working right away without any additional steps. So that is how you would insert your SD into this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.